Using Google Wallet on a Samsung device involves a few simple steps to set it up and start making contactless payments. Download Google Wallet. Install the Google Wallet app from the Google Play Store if it's not pre-installed on your Samsung device. Open Google Wallet. Launch the app and sign in with your Google account. If you don't have an account, you will need to create one. Add a payment method. Tap on the Add a Card option within the app. You can either scan your card using your phone's camera or manually enter the card details. Follow the verification steps required by your bank. Enable NFC. Ensure that NFC is turned on. Go to Settings, Connections, NFC and Contactless Payments and toggle NFC on. Set Google Wallet as default. If you have Samsung Pay or other payment apps, you need to set Google Wallet as the default payment app. Go to Settings, Connections, NFC and Contactless Payments, and select Google Wallet. Make a payment. Unlock your phone. Ensure your phone is unlocked and awake. Tap and pay. Hold the back of your phone near the contactless payment terminal. Wait for a confirmation beep or vibration and a confirmation message on your phone. Complete the transaction. Follow any additional prompts on the terminal, such as entering your PIN or signing a receipt if required. Check transactions. You can view your recent transactions in the Google Wallet app to keep track of your spending.